Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by stabilizing your workspace and the curtain assembly. First, position a ladder or step stool so you can reach the rod comfortably. Make sure the blanket and container are placed below. Next, support the rod, either lift slightly or have a helper hold it, so the weight doesn't pull down the brackets. Then, locate visible screws or set screws at the rod ends and loosen them just enough to release the curtain. These steps prevent sudden drops and make the next moves predictable. Once the rod is supported and screws are loosened, slide the curtains toward one bracket to free one end. If you have rings or clips, unhook them or open clip gates before pulling fabric off. If the curtain is a pocket, feed the rod through and slide out. For fixed brackets, fully remove the screws and lift the rod straight out to avoid scraping the wall. For tension or spring rods, compress gently and lower at an angle. Make sure to keep hardware grouped so reinstallation is easy. To finish, inspect brackets, anchors, and screws for wear, clean hardware, and label anything you'll reuse. If you see small wall holes, apply spackle, let it dry, sand smooth, and touch up paint. If anchors are stripped, pull them and replace with appropriate wall toggles or larger anchors before reinstalling. If a rod gets stuck during removal, stop and support the rod while you pry the bracket flange a little to free it. This prevents drywall damage. One last check ensures nothing was missed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.